Welcome to this video. This video going to explain inorganic material zeolite. This is the three-dimensional structure of zeolite. Zeolites can be described as materials made up of micro-aluminosilicate crystals which are used as ion exchanges in the detergent industry, in radioactive waste storage, in the treatment of liquid waste, as separators in purification, environmental treatment, in the catalytic cracking of petroleum, and in refining petrochemical, coal and fine chemical industries. Zeolites are built from silicate and aluminate tetrahedral which are infinitely extended in a three-dimensional network that is linked together by a shared oxygen atom. The silicate and aluminate tetrahedral can be represented by TO4, which is often referred to as the primary building block, where T represents silicon or aluminium ions, while the O4 represents each of the oxygen atom that is shared by the two T atoms. T is nothing but silicon, aluminium. General formula of zeolite: M A by B, AlO2 A times, SiO2 I times, the square C times, and H2O, where M represents alkali metal or alkaline earth metal, B represents valency of the metal, C is the amount of water, then A and Y represents total number of metal, silicate, aluminate in the zeolite unit. The molecular water and cations in the zeolite framework are highly mobile. Mobile is nothing but highly movable, flexible, metal ion as well as water molecule. And the water molecules are capable of being removed in a reversible reaction at temperatures ranging from 100 to 500 degrees Celsius. Zeolite structures are often stable at temperatures between 700 to 800 degrees Celsius. Structure of zeolites. Zeolites are many structures, many different types of zeolites are there. Zeolites have many different structures and its basic unit is silicate and aluminate tetrahedral linked together by the sharing of an oxygen atom. Zeolites A, zeolites X and Y consist of cubo-octahedron. This is nothing but P cages having the silicate aluminate tetrahedral at each corners of the framework. The structures of zeolite A are often as a result of the linkage between the P cage through the quadratic surface which has a cubic shapes. The linkage between the over 6-cornered surfaces and the hexagonal prisms lead to the formation of zeolite X and zeolite Y, which corresponds to fajasite zeolite. The hexadecimal zeolite systems have a complicated structure, and this is due to the presence of a system having two crossing channels, one linear and another one is zigzag manner. So this is the cage-like structure of zeolite. In the zeolite structure, lot of channels or cavities are available. So this is the cage structure of zeolite. The basic zeolite structure, basic unit of zeolite structure: aluminum bonded with oxygen, bonded with the silicon, further bonded with oxygen, silicon. This is the basic unit of zeolite structure. Then properties of zeolites. Zeolites readily undergo absorption because the zeolite having cavities. So the open nature of the zeolite structure allows small molecules to be absorbed into their structure. The size and shape of molecules absorbed will depend upon the geometry of the pores. Zeolite A with a small pores can absorb molecules such as water and oxygen, but large species. So zeolite A can absorb small molecules in large amount, but ethanol is barred from entering the cavity. Barred is nothing but not allowed. Ethanol is a big molecule compared with the oxygen and water molecule. So the zeolite A is the small cavity. Sodium ion in zeolite A is replaced by calcium, increases the pore dimension, allowing ethanol to be incorporated. So instead of the metal sodium, calcium is replaced. Now the cavity should be increased. Materials such as silicate, a derivative of SRSM5, where the framework consists of silicate tetrahedra, have few cations in the cavities and are hydrophobic. These materials readily absorb non-polar and weakly polar molecules into their cavity. Then ion exchange property of zeolite. The cations in zeolites interact weakly with the framework and may therefore undergo ion exchange reactions readily at room temperature. The sodium ion in zeolite A rapidly exchanges with the calcium in aqueous solution. The ion exchange process is widely used in water softness. So this property is widely used in the field of water softness. Then catalysis. So zeolite is acting as catalysis when the acid derivative of zeolites. Acid derivatives of zeolites are acting as catalyst. High zeolites is nothing but acid zeolites. High zeolites are excellent catalysts and are widely used in industrial. This form of the zeolite may be obtained by direct ion exchange with the acids. They are obtained by exchange with the ion ammonium ion followed by heating to 500 degrees Celsius, driving off ammonium and leaving the proton. So this is the process of synthesis of acid derivatives of zeolites. Initially sodium zeolite subjected to the reaction with the ammonium ion, they produce ammonium zeolite, and further which is subjected to heating at 500 degrees Celsius, they produce acid derivative of zeolites. It's nothing but high zeolites. Now the zeolite is acting as catalyst. The acid zeolites, once they have absorbed molecules into the cavities, catalyze reactions typical of very strong acids. So acid zeolites are responsible for catalytic process. The major type of reactions are dehydration and rearrangement. So these are the catalytic process proceeds by using acid zeolites. Thank you.